This is the entrance to Skanks.
We go back to like 5
Okay. 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 Yeah. Transition's long, so you don't need a lot of speed into this, right?
No, you go slow and pop right into that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say just pop it just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then you'll land right on the transition or in the dirt and you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Going slow, it's pretty mellow.
Yeah, yeah, that one's fine. Yep. Nice. Nice. Oh shit.
You guys need to see the double, right?
Yeah, let's take a look at it.
Off the trail.
All right.
And walk down and watch Matt and I send it.
Okay. I think I could do this one. Nice. That was so easy. That was so easy.
I even got the last drop is kind of a legit, like, you know, drop, and you land into a
berm.
A kind of sweeps into a berm. So you gotta like roll off that last one and not brake to, you know, carry around it.
Okay. Shit. Okay.
I'll try to call when I can.
All right. Woo! Okay. Woo! Nice. That is awesome. That is awesome.
That was kind of my mistake. Yeah, I took a really bad line. And they followed me.
All of it's just loose and shooty. It's all good. Nothing to worry about. Just ride the chutes.
Okay.
There's a final chute that comes into a catch berm. You come in, you hit that catch berm, and it's an uphill.
Okay.
That's where you need
keep momentum.
Get into a low gear,
yeah.
Pedal up the hill, and that's when we're gonna go wide, hard right, and ride down a waterfall. Do you guys?
Okay.
It's just a steep waterfall. Do you guys want to just follow us, or do you guys need to spot it?
We'll follow, but I guess regroup at the top, or regrouping is not good at the top.
It's steep.
Okay.
And it'll fuck you up.
Okay.
More
all right.
than
Yeah. No. That's like art school. The very last.
Yeah. It's the same shit.
Okay.
It's just steep.
Yep.
And you go down that waterfall, and you.
Okay.
And
got it.
left.
Now we'll just follow you.
Okay.
Woo!
All right, waterfall.
Yep. Whoa! Shit! Woo! Oh. Nice. That was sick. That was sick.
Good thing you didn't look at it. It looks crazy.
Yeah, no, yeah, looking at it would have been bad.
It's pretty nice.
All right, guys.
Is this?
Looking at it doesn't do you anything,
This is
but
the canyon gap.
but this is you're dropping elevation. You're going
Yeah.
straight off the top like a drop, and you're landing down here flat. And so if you go the right speed and just do a step down style, you send it.
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Between the two rocks.
Right after the two rocks?
Let's have a look at the landing.
Yeah, I'm doubting it. Should we do it?
You do it? All right, fine, let's go.
This will bother me if I don't, because I know I could do this. I'm starting to have some commitment issues. As I'm pushing my bike up, I'm like, rethink just nice and easy over it. Stay loose, look far ahead, picture myself landing, looking way ahead, braking, trying to get those scared nerves loosened up. I think. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Dude, nice! Nice.
That's fucking awesome. I honestly didn't think you were gonna do that.
I've never seen someone, I don't mean it the wrong way, hit it that slow.
Great. Yeah.
Your wheel was
I felt like my rear wheel was right on the edge.
and just past it.
Yeah.
Which is just perfect, right?
Yeah.
You're this close.
Yeah.
And so it's like as perfect as it get. He got like a half foot out because he was just
Rolling in faster, yeah.
a little bit faster.
What is this? Oh, I can't. I gotta see what it is.
Send it!
Oh, same thing, huh?
The right one. Send it!
Send it.
Off the brakes. Nice. Nice. Cased it, yeah. Nice. Oh! Climb! Oh, missed one. Right here. Woo! That was nice. Sweet. Woo! Awesome.
So, we got two trails here.
Yeah.
Decision time. Do we want to go for loose shoots or more of the awesome rocky chunk?
Whatever you guys think is better.
Go for it.
Ooh. Oh. Nice! That was awesome. So sweet. That's so sick. That was nice. Dude, nice on the gap. I can't believe we did the gap.